Did you know that with just 10 Ghana cedis, you can start investing in a diversified portfolio that has a potential to grow your wealth significantly? So in this video, I'm going to show you the idea of mutual funds, what they are, how they work, and how you can start investing in mutual funds to secure your financial goals. Make sure to stick to the end of this video to discover how you can let your money work smarter for you. So first, let's break down what mutual funds are. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pulls monies from investors to invest in diversified portfolios like stocks, bonds, and other securities. Each investor owns shares, which represent a portion of the holdings of the fund. This allows you to invest in varieties of assets without having to buy each of them individually. Here are some mutual funds that you can invest in. We have the equity funds. So they primarily invest in companies to grow your wealth. It can be local or foreign companies. The next one is fixed income funds, which focuses more on investments like bonds. It can be a government bond or any company bond. This type of investment is focused on investing in bonds, which is also a way to grow your wealth by giving your money to companies as loans. The next one is money market funds. The money market fund focuses more on short-term and low-risk securities. And we have the balance funds, which also focuses on mixed funds like stocks and bonds to balance risk and return. So let's talk about the benefits of investing in mutual funds. Number one is diversification. Your risk is spread across a range of investments. So mostly you don't have to fear about losing all your money because the fund managers make sure that your investment is spread across different companies. So if this company is not doing well, the other company will be doing better to balance the sheet. Another benefit of mutual funds is you can easily buy and sell mutual funds. Not like other investments, which you have to have a fixed date or a fixed time to hold your money before you can withdraw. With mutual funds, you can easily buy and sell your investment anytime. The next benefit for investing in mutual fund is affordability. You can relatively start with a very small amount. So like 10 cedis, you can invest in mutual funds like the IC Liquidity. If you want to learn more about the IC Liquidity Fund, I have a video in the description below. You also get professional managers to manage your funds when you invest in mutual funds. However, it's also important to understand the risk factors of investing in mutual funds. You have to consider market risk, which means the value of your investment can go up and down in the market. Another factor you have to consider is the interest rates risk. There can be changes in interest rates, like IC Liquidity Fund right now it's around 11.72. The next day it can come to, let's say, 10% or even 7%, which always fluctuates up and down. So the interest rate is always to be considered when you are investing in a mutual fund. Now let's talk about the mutual fund market in Ghana. But I'll talk about only 4 popular mutual funds right here in Ghana. The first one on the list is DataBank M Fund. So the current interest rate on DataBank on the Plus app is around 5.9%. So if you want to invest in DataBank, you can check out their website for more details. I'll put the link in the description below. The second one on the list is Stanbic Cash Trust Fund AMC, which is around 11.2%. You can also check their website for more details. So the third one on the list is the IC Liquidity Fund, which is around 11.72 as at 16 July 2024. You can actually go to their office to open an account with any of the lists that I have mentioned. So these mutual funds have individual apps or websites that you can register from or manage your investment from. For example, with the IC Liquidity Fund, you can use the IC World app to register and start investing straight from the app. You can also use DataBank app to start investing in DataBank M Fund. There is one app that I've seen that you can use to invest in all these mutual funds, and it's called the Plus app. You can find the Plus app on the Google Play Store or App Store. I'm not sponsored by these apps. I found all of them by myself through my research, and I actually found this app through Instagram. If you want to invest in this app, you can make more research on them. So the Plus app is brought to you by the Tense Capital Investment. You can actually do a research on them and you can learn more about this app. So I started using this app early this year and It has been smooth for me, even though initially I had some challenges, but when I called their customer support, they were able to resolve my issue. And I did invest in one of the Stanbic mutual funds. Make sure to hit the like button if you haven't done that, and subscribe if you are new here. It's very, very important. So let's talk about evaluating and managing your investment. When you are evaluating mutual funds, you have to consider these metrics: the performance metric, the fund manager's track record, and the expense ratio. These are some of the metrics you can consider before investing in mutual funds. So with the performance metric, you can look at the historical pattern or historical returns of the fund, research and experience the success of the fund, which is the manager's track record, and also understand the fees that you pay when you invest in such funds. So mutual funds offer a great way to diversify your portfolio and also benefit from professional management. Remember to do your research and understand the risk and manage your investment wisely. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you have any question or concern, then drop it in the comment section below. I will be available to answer every single question that you ask. Until next time, see you in my next video.